Top of the morning. Hey, what's going on, people? What's going on? It's your boy Lando. The man, dude. I'm in a little small car today. I'm in the Nissan today. It's a Nissan Versa. Go look it up. See how big it is. I'm 6'4". I'm sitting in here comfortable though. I'm sitting here comfortable. I said I'm gonna ride out in the Nissan today, man. Gas expensive, man. Gas is expensive. You can put $20 in this Nissan, $29 to be exact, and fill it up and you ride out a week and a half, right? My truck, $75. You good for a week though. Good for a week, I must say that. But today I'm riding out in the Nissan. The Nissan is one of my my #1 Turo car. This thing stay rented out. Only reason it's not rented out right now because I took it off. You know, you gotta do preventative maintenance. So you know, I changed a couple tires. It been paid for itself though. Changed a couple tires, oil change. You know, the regular stuff. But yeah, I'm out here though. About to go handle some business, man, with my mom's. I had some business with her. Next week is my last day on the job. Super excited. Yes, of course, naturally, gonna have a little bit of nervousness, naturally. But I'm out here though. What? I'm out here. I'm ready, man. So I'm supposed to be going to Colorado picking up my truck next week, Saturday. Right now, I have everything I need except a pallet jack, right? Except a pallet jack. I'm really trying to hop on the road in Colorado, honestly. But I gotta figure out how I can get a pallet jack out there. I don't know if you can just walk into a store and get a pallet jack. I don't know this, but we gonna see. So I'm back today, man. Y'all gonna ride with me today. Y'all gonna ride with me today. Go I stop.
The strength is inside you. Please do not hide it. Keep on fighting. Until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know.
I had my truck. That thing is swole now. Might as well call it a punch buggy.
2,000 years later.
Yes, sir. Just trying to uniform for me. Gotta stay quiet, everybody sleep. Don't sleep on what time it is. See, boy. Yes, sir. Last day. Hey, boy. You know what I mean? Yeah, stay. All right, go. Hey, come on now. Good morning. It's the last day, man. It's the last day. You know, Last day on the job, bro. I don't miss the people that at the job. I don't know if I'm gonna miss the job, but I definitely been there 5 years. It's not a job that I hate. Last job I worked, I hated that job. So I ain't feel no way. But I don't know how I feel, man. But I'm just super excited for my next adventure. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's what I'm about to be at. I'm be an employee for myself. The goal is to be a business owner, but not an employee for myself. But you know, it's a stepping stone. You heard? But yeah, 4:58. You know what I'm saying? I'm heading to the J.O.B. Last day. I don't know how I feel yet. It's not a sad moment for sure. But yeah, we gonna talk. So usually I go to work, I get it in, get my prayers in, you know what I mean? Do a little worship. So as I worship at the work, I'm talking better to y'all in just a few. Yo, about to start. Y'all gonna walk with me today. Y'all gonna walk with me on the last day, man. Come on now. What we say? No weapon formed against us shall prosper. You know why? Because we got angels planted all around us. Weapon formed against me shall prosper. I told them they should have put me on the choir. They keep playing with me. I don't know what's wrong with them. I don't know what's wrong with them. They keep playing with me, bro. It's all good. I'll let y'all in a sec, though.
The strength is inside you, please don't hide it. Keep on.
Yes, sir. Ain't nobody here, yet, so I usually get here. My dude just got here. I usually be one of the only ones here at this time. It's dark. Oh yeah, we dark. So what I do when I get here, this when I get myself together, prepare myself for the day. You know, what I usually do, I pull up, get my little prayer, not a big prayer, ain't no little prayer around here. Get my big prayer in, you know. This ain't even a park spot, but it's where I've been parking. Get my prayer on, you know what I'm saying, lights off. Get my prayer on and, you know, get ready for the day, you know. Me and the Holy Spirit talk, you know. Me and the Most High talk, and then prepare ourselves for the day. Yeah, I'll let y'all. Last day type thing, you know what I mean? Last time doing this. Gonna offload my truck. See if I can do this right now while holding my phone. Yeah, my phone is my camera.
Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know that few are chosen. Many doors closed, but yes, for sure, enough get open.
So me not stop investing in my dream.
Called, but they don't know that few are chosen. Many doors closed, but yes, for sure.
Well, frozen, yeah, me all about the dream, yeah, me all about the money, yeah, me all about everything for make me happy.
The strength is inside you, please don't hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now.
Yes, sir.
So many are called.
Work. What we gonna do? We'll all go to put our stuff on these pallets. You know what I mean?
Oh, support me, real life, yeah, me want feel live my dream. Want money like see me I collect a friend. If me drop a weed, then I know I'm talking. But me I aim for the dream regardless.
The strength is inside you, please don't hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know that few are chosen. Many doors closed, but yes, for sure, enough get open.
Oh, so for me, wah. Real life, yeah, me want feel live my dream. Want money like say me I collect a friend. If me drop a weed, then I know I'm talking. But me I aim for the dream regardless.
The strength is inside you, please do not hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know that few are chosen. Many doors closed, but yes, for sure, enough yet.
Well. What's up?
The strength is inside you, please do not hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know that few are chosen.
Something fell.
Many doors closed, but yes, for sure, enough get open.
So me non-stop investing in my dream like big kind. I forget mine, you know, say man I pray for rich. Man want live like Bill Gates. Million man I pray for come on a daily basis. Believing in myself, so me have for rich.
Yeah, me chosen.
I believe in love again, cause me heart well frozen. Yeah, me all about the dream, yeah, me all about the money. Yeah, me all about everything for make me happy.
The strength is inside you, please do not hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know.
I'm making a little food stuff. Time to get some good breakfast, man. One thing that me and my partner always did, we always stop and get breakfast. So, you know, since it's the last day, you know, you got to finish it off the way we started. You got to eat some good food, man. Which place better than Golden Crust? Eat some good Jamaican food. You know, when I really had money enough. Stop. Last time I come here work for this company, I might come back working for myself. Oh, she got 4 fingers. I don't know what that means.
The strength is inside you, please do not hide it. Keep on fighting until you rise up, your wings are open. Time to soar now. So many are called, but they don't know that few are chosen.
Yes, sir.
Many doors closed.
Yes, sir. Last rodeo. Old Betsy. I'ma holler at you, Betsy. It was nice knowing you. Wink at me. Hey, that was my first truck right there when I first got to this company. Shit over there. Last.
Chapter 26, 1 through 13. And there was a famine in the land, beside the first famine.
Oh yeah, I'm on a call too.
And Isaac went up to Abimelech, king of the Philistines, into Gerar.
This is
and
it.
The Lord appeared unto him and
said,
said, Go not down into Egypt.
Time to start a new journey,
which I shall tell of thee.
Amen.
Sojourn in the land, and I will be with thee.